Welcome to Gagana Science Lab. Only one science lab. Today the lesson is animal classification. Okay, firstly we discuss meaning of animal classification. Meaning of an animal classification. What's the meaning of animal classification? Grouping of animals based on their common characteristics. Talk with me. Meaning of animal classification is grouping of animals based on their common characteristics. Meaning of animal classification means grouping of animals based on their common characteristics. Okay, next we discuss importance of animal classification. What is the importance of animal classification that you think? Yes, it is make us easy to study them. It is make us easy to study them. Important of animal classification is it is make us is to study them. Next, two type of animals. Who are the two types of animals? There are two types of animals. They are invertebrates and vertebrates. There are four groups of invertebrates: cnidarians, annelids, mollusks, and arthropods. There are five groups of vertebrates: fish, amphibia, reptilia, birds, and mammals. But today I'm going to talk with you only invertebrates. There are four groups of invertebrates: cnidaria, annelida, mollusca, and arthropoda. Invertebrates. Who's this? Invertebrates. Yes, the animals that hasn't vertebral column. Invertebrates means animals that hasn't vertebral column. Cnidarians. Our first invertebrate group is cnidarian. There are two forms of cnidarians. They are medusa and polyp. Two forms of cnidarians, medusa and polyp. Cnidarians. There are two forms of cnidarians. They are medusa. What is the other one? Medusa and polyp. Yes, polyp. Examples of cnidarians: sea anemone, hydra, coral polyp, and jellyfish. Sea anemone, hydra, coral polyp, and jellyfish. This is an image of sea anemone. This is hydra. This is image of coral polyp, and this image of jellyfish. Features of cnidarians. They live in marine and freshwater. Have radial symmetry. They are cnidocytes. All are predators. Features of cnidarians are live on marine water and fresh water. Have radial symmetry. They are cnidocytes. All are predators. First one is, yes, live on marine water and fresh water. Have radial symmetry. They have cnidocytes and all are predators. Annelida. Examples for annelida: earthworm, nereis, and leech. Earthworm, nereis, and leech. Features of annelids: live on marine water and fresh water and terrestrial body. They live in marine water, fresh water, and terrestrial body. They are vermiforms. What is the meaning of vermiforms? Yes, the animals group that like worms. They are bilateral symmetry. What is the meaning of bilateral symmetry? Yes, that's the meaning of bilateral symmetry. It is a body that can be divided into two similar parts. Mollusca. Examples for mollusca. First one is octopus. This is an image of octopus. Bivalve. This is an image of bivalve. Chiton. This is an image of chiton. Slug. This is an image of slug. And cuttlefish. This is an image of cuttlefish. Octopus, bivalve, chiton, slug, and cuttlefish. Features of mollusca. Some have shell, bilateral symmetrical body. Environment: terrestrial, marine, and freshwater. They have soft body, muscular foot present. What is the meaning of muscular foot? Muscular foot means a foot that have muscles. Some have shells, bilateral symmetrical body, environment, equal terrestrial, marine and freshwater, soft body and muscular foot present. Arthropods. Examples for arthropods. They are fly, bee, butterfly, prawn, and crabs. Fly, bee, butterfly, and prawn, and crabs. Features of arthropods. They have jointed appendages. They are exoskeleton, bilateral symmetry, and live in all the environment. Again, features of arthropods, jointed appendages, exoskeleton, bilateral symmetry, and live in all the environment. Okay, we recover first part of this lesson again. Our first part is two types of animals. They are invertebrate and vertebrates. Mean type of invertebrates are cnidarians, annelid, mollusks, and arthropoda. Vertebrates are fish, amphibia, reptilia, and birds and mammals. Invertebrates. Who is the invertebrates? An animal that has a vertebral column. Cnidarians. They are two forms of cnidarians, medusa and polyp. Examples for cnidarians: sea anemone, hydra, coral polyp, and jellyfish. Features of cnidarians: live in marine water and fresh water, have radial symmetry, they have cnidocytes, all are predators. Annelida. Examples for annelida: earthworm, leech, nereis. Features of annelida: lives in marine water, fresh water, and terrestrial bodies. They are vermiform and they are bilateral symmetry. Mollusca. Examples for mollusca: octopus, bivalve, chiton, slug, and cuttlefish. Features of mollusca: some have shells, bilateral symmetrical body, environment, terrestrial, marine, and freshwater. They have soft body and muscular foot present. Arthropods. Examples for arthropods: fly, bee, butterfly, prawn, and crabs. Features of an arthropods: jointed appendages, exoskeleton, bilateral symmetry, and live in all the environment. This is end of our lesson. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the red color subscribe button and bell icon. Thanks for joining with me. Then goodbye all of you.